So hot!
Mashed potato and fried chicken. Kain. Excuse me, kain na. Pero hindi pangkain, isang kain lang yan ha. 4 meals. Kain po. So yan, coffee and banana cake. Try natin yung Tiffany's. Yan. Tiffany's banana bread. Expiration niya is June 25, 2025. Ang tagal no? Today is May 26. Matagal din. So yan, let's try this. We use bananas from Davao, one of the finest banana in the world. Okay, let's try kung masarap. Sa mga nakatikim nito, anong husga ninyo? Banana cake. Good morning. Salad again. And yan, mashed potato, lumpia, and chicken. Let's eat. Dinner time, guys.
Stephen was questioned about the schematic. He had no explanation for how it got into her house, other than she probably took it home with her.
Detectives grill Stephen about his reputation among his coworkers.
And he became angry. I crawled in the window.
It was a bombshell. Now here's a whole new story where he's absolutely in the house.
He indicated that he had heard the scream. He had gone through the bedroom window to try.
Kain ng mangga. Malaki yan. Asin lang sausawan natin. Diba malaki? Mashed potato with Hungarian sausage. Kain po tayo, mga madam. Kain po. Nabawasan ko na. Gutom na ako eh. Kain po. So yan, pagkain natin. Ngayon ay Sunday. Nagkanin na ako. Wala na akong ibang makain. Sira yung ating mashed potato. So parang nasusuka ako pagka kaya yan. Okay na yan. Fish to. Sinigang yan. And then makarel ito. And then konting kanin. So kain guys. Kain tayo. Ayan. Malasado ang egg na ginawa. And then yung ating Hungarian sausage. Mauumay yata kayo sa Hungarian sausage ko. Yan yung ating pagkain. At syempre, meron tayo dito saging. So, isang hotdog, isang saging, isang itlog. Parang baliktad Dalawang itlog, isang sausage. Pero hindi. Yan ang ating pagkain. Kain tayo, guys. Kain!